Hi there, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to set up and optimize sound on your Leitner Office Hero corded headset. To set up and use your Leitner Office Hero corded headset, you'll need two main components. One, the headset itself, which has a cord running from it, and then two, a bottom cord called a quick disconnect that will connect and then connect to your device of choice. This is because all Leitner corded headsets are what's called a quick disconnect, meaning that it ends in this adaptive type of end that can switch from one bottom cord or one quick disconnect cord to another, allowing you to change between devices. In this case, I have the USB quick disconnect, and to connect the bottom cord to the top, all you need to do is line the teeth of the bottom up to the teeth of the top, if you will, and then slide those together with a little snap. You can just as quickly pull them apart, hence the name Quick Disconnect. Now, once you've connected those together, the next main component to look at is on the top portion of the cord coming from the headset. You have little switches that say 1, 2, and 3, 4. These are your compat switches, and the compat for each device will be a little bit different than the compat from another. Each one has its own specific setting. Now, to switch between compat, all you need to do is take a ballpoint pen, reach in here and slide it between those numbers to your appropriate compat. If you're wondering what the compat is for your device, whether that's a Mitel phone or a computer, I have those listed right here for you, all of the most common settings. Take a look now and see what's going to work for you. Now at this point, all you need to do is connect the bottom portion of your quick disconnect into whatever your device is, and then you're ready to start rocking and rolling with your Office Hero. There you have it. You're now ready to save your calls with your Leitner Office Hero corded headset. I know that's cheesy, but it's great. And in the meantime, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.